It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 4th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Fairly typical weather for Independence Day here in the Valley. Hot and dry, high temperatures around 108. But we go from the frying pan into the fire tomorrow and Friday before some monsoon moisture starts to make its way into the desert Southwest. Finally, to really kick off the crux of our summer rainy season. All right, let's get out there and talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday, 110, the high in the valley after a low of 82. And outside right now, here at 8:35 a.m., clear skies in the valley, 91 degrees presently at Sky Harbor, dew points at 47. Humidity 21%, light wind barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, generally 80s and low 90s, although there's a 98. Where is that? That is in Goodyear right now, so... man, almost triple digits before 9 a.m. Yikes. All right, upper air look across the country. A sprawling ridge extending from off the east coast all the way out here into the west. There is a trough over the northwestern states, but that won't be affecting our weather in any meaningful way. And the flow aloft veering from westerly to southwesterly, eventually turning southerly and then easterly over the next few days. And that's going to be what brings in our moisture. Now, the major weather headline on this 4th of July will be the heat across the country. Heat advisories and a few excessive heat warnings extending from the central plains through the northeast. We also have an excessive heat warning starting tomorrow morning and continuing through Friday evening here in the valley. Those extend throughout much of western Arizona, southeast California, southern Nevada. Excessive heat watches for southern California northward into the central valleys. And if you're looking for fireworks displays across the state, well, forget it in the high country. You're going to have to come down here to the valley or the Tucson area for the best fireworks shows because of the drought conditions. Those are off limits up north. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around Lincoln, Nebraska, extending north and eastward toward Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Duluth, with a marginal risk for many of the adjacent states. And rainfall for the next 7 days. The WPC forecast, kind of interesting one here. Not much rain across the state, a few hundredths in a broad swath over the high country and slightly higher amounts in some of the mountainous areas of La Paz County, as well as over toward the White Mountains of eastern Arizona. But I have a feeling these numbers are going to be coming up based on the model trends, which we'll show you right now as we get out to the GFS. Here's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's our sprawling ridge, 597 heat ridge, extends from the northeast and parts of southeastern Canada all the way out here toward the western states, and down below that at the surface, mostly sunny skies again today. High temperatures climbing into the 105 to 108 range. Tonight, clear skies, a relatively dry air mass, lows mid-70s to mid-80s. And then tomorrow, here comes the furnace. High temperatures 111 to 115, the sky sunny. An isolated shower storm could fire over the eastern mountains of our state, but that doesn't appear too likely. Friday, a little bit of moisture increases and temperatures back off a degree or two with an isolated shower or storm over the eastern parts of the state. We'll still be around 110 to 114. Again, skies are sunny. Could there be some gusty winds and some blowing dust trying to get into the East Valley Friday night? That's a big question, and I think that that's a possibility, albeit a pretty small one at this point. Saturday, moisture continues to increase. The flow aloft turning easterly as ridging is now north of Arizona, and a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the high country, and maybe a few of those storms push westward and try to get into the deserts. But again, I think if we see anything in the valley, it'll be mainly a dust storm event. Sunday is shaping up to be an interesting day. The deeper moisture arrives in the GFS, hinting at an easterly wave moving into the southwest states sometime on Sunday. And as that deeper moisture arrives, that could kick off some showers and thunderstorms maybe in the morning. So we'll look for that. But at this point, I think the best chances will still be in the afternoon and evening. Here's Sunday afternoon off the GFS. Scattered to numerous showers and storms in the mountains. Widely scattered showers and storms over the deserts. Highs 104 to 108. Here's Monday. The deeper moisture's in place. Temperatures down. Humidity up. Scattered to numerous showers and storms in the afternoons over the mountains. Widely scattered showers and storms over the deserts. Highs 102 to 106. Same thing on Tuesday. And here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 11th of July. Really no major changes in the weather pattern at all. Yes, any one day could be a little bit more active than any other day, but it's hard to pin those down right now. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons and evenings. Highs 100 to 104. With better moisture, temperatures maybe below average next week. All right, let's go out to the end of the forecast period. This is Friday the 13th of July, and there's your continued chance of showers and storms. No changes in the weather overall. Let's check the numbers coming off the GFS Ensemble through the period. Yeah, of course, it's got us hot, especially tomorrow and Friday. Then a gradual ramping down of temperatures for next week, possibly below average. And any one of those days, we might not even get to 100, depending on whether or not we have a better coverage of shower and thunderstorm activity, especially in the morning hours. Sunday could be a very interesting day. We'll watch for that. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Stay cool. Enjoy the fireworks tonight. Be safe around all that, too. Don't do it yourself, please. We want everybody to have their appendages to watch our videos tomorrow morning. And you guys have yourselves a great 4th of July.